Welcome to Knightline for Wednesday, March 24th, 2021. I am Pedro Pimienta with your school news and announcements for Jose Marti MAST 6-12 Academy. Welcome to the third day of Spring Spirit Week. Nationality Day is here, and there is one more dress-down opportunity before we leave for the break. Thursday, the 25th, will be Silver Knights Day. Show your school spirit by wearing blue and silver. Don't forget this week of free dress. Attire must follow MDCPS dress code rules. No short skirts or dresses are permitted. There will be a Key Club meeting this afternoon via Zoom at 3:30 p.m. The club will be working on their spring service project. All high schoolers are welcome to join and become part of the committees. Join Remind at MAST Key or email list on their website to receive the Zoom call information. Key Club hopes to see you all there. March is Women's History Month. Each day this month we will bring you a profile of a woman who has made her mark on history. Here is Jenny to tell you more about Rosalind Franklin.
Rosalind Elsie Franklin was born on July 25, 1920, and was part of an influential family. Her family helped refugees who had escaped from the Nazis. With exceptional intelligence, she will grow up to be a bright scholar. From Norland Palace School to Lindor's School for Young Ladies, she shows extraordinary learning capabilities. She topped all her classes and learned to speak fluent French, German, and Latin. In 1983, she attends Newham College, where she studied physics and chemistry. She excelled and was awarded to join a chemistry lab in the University of Cambridge. Using X-ray diffraction, Rosalind studied DNA. In 1952, she took an X-ray of a DNA molecule and discovered two strands of RNA wrapped together like a ladder. She would later attempt to build a model. Although she may have discovered the structure of DNA, her colleagues Crick, Watson, and Wilkins went into her lab and discovered the photographs of the DNA structure. They took her idea and built the model of the structure before she was able to. They ended up winning the Nobel Peace Prize instead of Rosalind. We later find out that it was her hard work that discovered the structure. She inspires young ladies in the science field to push through and speak their mind. On April 16, 1958, she dies due to cancer, which was contracted from all the X-rays she had done. She inspires women to pursue science fields and not to let people step all over you. We have been able to genetically modify animals, learn genetics, and other great feats due to knowing the structure of DNA.
Thank you, Jenny. The yearbook is available for pre-order for $40. Pre-purchase your copy at yearbookforever.com. Language arts homework help will not take place this Thursday, March 25th. It will resume on Thursday, April 8th. Have a great spring break. Spring break is a good time to catch up on what's going on in the world and do some maintenance on your digital devices. Here are some tips for you for your spring break.
Spring cleaning. Here are some dates that you should probably write down on your calendar. On March 8th is Women's Day, March 9th through 10th is the Holy Festival, March 17th is St. Patrick's Day, April 1st is April Fool's Day, April 12th is Easter, April 8th through 16th is Passover, May 1st is May Day, May 5th is Cinco de Mayo, and May 10th is Mother's Day. Here's some cleaning that you should probably do on your devices. Update your devices, organize your folders, organize your desktop, delete old unused files, clean out your trash bin, save any important documents, and clear cookies from your browser.
Over the break, remember to back up your data, clean dust out of your computer, run antivirus scans, clean up your software, and update everything. After you're done, some safe activities to do that also meet the social distancing requirements are build a fort, read comics, learn a new skill, camp in your yard, have a self-care day, bake your favorite goods, plant a vegetable garden, change your phone's theme, play multiplayer games with your friends, have a movie night with your friends, online of course, and play Animal Crossing while paying off your debt to Tom Nook, the capitalist. Remember that maintenance to your devices will greatly benefit your school experience. Social distancing and proper precautions are important to staying safe during break. Thank you for listening, and we hope you have a nice, happy, healthy spring break.
Thank you. If you are feeling sad, lonely, or anxious, remember that help is all around you. The MDCPS, Department of Mental Health Services, is here for you, and there are many school resources available. Students can talk to a teacher, school counselor, or mental health professional who can guide you to and/or assist with needed support. There is also a 24-hour crisis support line available. Call 1-800-784-2433 or text HELLO to 741-741 to get help. In Miami-Dade County Public Schools, mental wellness matters, and someone is here for you. Before we go, let's check out the conditions outside. Here is your Knightline weather.
I am Alex Canton with your Knightline weather. It's 70 degrees and clear with 70% humidity as we begin the day. High temperatures are expected in the low 80s today. The high is projected to be 82 with sunny clear skies and an overnight low of 72. Winds are expected from the south-southeast with gusts reaching 12 miles per hour. Now for your 3-day look ahead. Thursday is expected to be mostly sunny with a high of 83 and a low of 73. Clear skies continue Friday with a high of 83 with an overnight low of 73. Saturday will be mostly sunny with a high of 83 and a low of 72. That's all for your Knightline weather.
That's it for us today. We will see you next time.